Acura key fobs, especially in 2015-2023 models like TLX, MDX, and RDX, commonly fail due to battery issues, software glitches from over-the-air updates affecting smart entry, or third-party battery malfunctions. Extreme temperatures also affect lithium-ion batteries, triggering recalls such as the 2022-2023 MDX. A 2025 Acura recall addressed faulty proximity sensors, causing intermittent lockouts in 2022-2023 MDX models. Begin by checking the battery. Acura recommends OEM or high-quality CR2032 batteries. Avoid cheap generics that cause corrosion. If a battery replacement doesn't work, software relearning or smart entry reset might be needed. Use the Acura mobile service tool or Acura forums for tutorials to avoid costly dealership visits. Statistics show that 70% of key fob issues are resolved with a battery check. To replace the battery in an Acura key fob, gently pry open the fob using a screwdriver. Remove the old CR2032 battery and insert a new one, ensuring correct orientation. Then snap the fob shut securely. For the relearn process, insert the key into the ignition and cycle it to the on position multiple times. Follow the dashboard prompts to synchronize the fob with the vehicle's immobilizer. For 2019 and newer models, an app-based method may be available for faster synchronization. Smart Entry Reset addresses proximity sensor failures. Access the vehicle's settings menu and follow the prompts to reset the system. Alternatively, use a dealer scan tool for a professional reset. A Reddit user in 2024 successfully fixed a non-responsive 2023 RDX fob by replacing the battery with a Panasonic model and performing a relearn via the touchscreen. Always disconnect the car battery before resets to avoid electrical issues. DIY fixes cost around $5 compared to $100 at a dealership.